In 1977, Voyager 1 set off on a journey that would take it farther than any other human creation, our first ambassador to the outer reaches of the solar system. Along the way, it unveiled breathtaking views of Jupiter and Saturn, transforming our understanding of these giant worlds. After its grand tour, Voyager 1 pressed onward, eventually becoming the pioneer that crossed into interstellar space. On board, it carries the Golden Record, a time capsule meant for any intelligent life it might encounter. Even now, Voyager 1 beams back information from the very edge of the Sun's domain. Then, decades later, astronomers detected something extraordinary. An object from another star system, dubbed 3I Atlas, drifting through our cosmic neighborhood. Such interstellar visitors are incredibly rare, offering a unique window into the makeup of distant solar systems. Excitement rippled through the scientific world. What mysteries might this interstellar traveler reveal? As astronomers crunched the numbers, they realized Voyager 1 and 3I Atlas would pass remarkably close to each other in the vastness beyond the planets. It was a rare alignment, our most distant probe and a mysterious visitor from another star, their paths set to cross. Could Voyager 1, now a solitary traveler, be used to observe this interstellar object up close? The proposal was daring, perhaps even improbable, but the chance for discovery was irresistible. Suddenly, two epic odysseys, one launched from Earth, the other from the stars, were on a collision course. Around the globe, people watched as an ambitious plan began to unfold. But could Voyager's decades-old instruments handle this unprecedented opportunity? The scene was set for a meeting in the cold, silent depths of space. Humanity's most distant explorer was about to greet a messenger from another star. Atlas marked the third interstellar object identified, following Oumuamua and Borisov. Spotted by the Atlas telescope, its hyperbolic trajectory indicated it was merely passing through, an interloper in our solar neighborhood. Unlike our native comets, 3I/Atlas originated around a different star, offering a rare glimpse into alien chemistry. Analyzing its makeup could uncover whether life's building blocks are widespread across the galaxy. As it approached the Sun, 3I Atlas began to release gas, forming a delicate tail, an opportunity to study its ices and compare them with our own comets. Voyager 1, relatively close in cosmic terms, presented a chance for direct sampling, beyond the reach of Earth-based telescopes. This mission was a gamble, never part of Voyager's initial objectives. Yet, the chance to collect material from another star system was a scientific windfall. The solitary probe and the foreign comet were on a destined path to meet. The world watched eagerly, hoping to uncover the mysteries of another solar system. The stakes had never been higher for a spacecraft so distant from its home planet. At NASA's JPL, engineers scrambled to redirect Voyager 1, now more than 16 billion miles from home. Each command would take over 24 hours to reach the distant probe, and there was no room for error. Their mission? Guide Voyager 1 to graze the edge of 3I Atlas's coma, gathering data on particles and magnetic fields. Firing Voyager's long unused thrusters was a risky move. The objective was to analyze the density and makeup of this mysterious interstellar dust, humanity's first direct encounter with debris from another star. Another hurdle remained. Could Voyager's ancient cameras be brought back to life for a historic snapshot? The team sent a meticulously programmed sequence, activating thrusters, instruments, and cameras, timed to execute automatically at the moment of closest approach. The entire operation would unfold in just a few hours, after which both objects would continue on their separate paths. As the instructions sped through the vastness of space, tension mounted at mission control. Would Voyager's aging hardware respond as hoped? Around the globe, people watched and waited for a rare glimpse into the unknown. The encounter would be fleeting, but its scientific value could be immense. All attention turned to the darkness, hoping for Voyager's signal to break the silence. October 21st, 2025. This was the day everything came together. After years of anticipation, Voyager's signal finally reached home, confirming the probe had carried out its instructions. A slight increase in particle density was recorded. clear proof that Voyager had skimmed the outskirts of 3I Atlas's coma. For the first time ever, we directly sampled the surroundings of an interstellar object. The signals were faint, but unmistakable, a milestone in space exploration. Still, the encounter was not without its shortcomings. The coma turned out to be much thinner and smaller than predicted. Voyager merely grazed its periphery. The reactivated cameras captured only darkness. 3I Atlas was too dim, lost amid the cosmic static. The hope for a detailed image slipped away. Nevertheless, the mission showcased Voyager's durability and the creativity of its engineers. Even a glancing encounter with an interstellar traveler revealed invaluable insights. The cosmos granted us a brief window, and we made the most of it. Even in the vast darkness, science pressed forward. The mission didn't unfold as we'd hoped. No legendary photo, only faint traces of data, but it was far from a loss. Voyager's long silent systems awakened, demonstrating their remarkable resilience after decades in the void. The wispy coma of 3I Atlas highlighted just how varied interstellar visitors can be. Some icy, some rocky, each with its own story. Every encounter writes a new chapter in our quest to unravel the galaxy's hidden mysteries. This attempt underscored the difficulty of pursuing swift, faint travelers using aging technology. Tomorrow's missions will demand quicker probes and more intelligent instruments. Voyager's fleeting encounter with 3I Atlas served as a rehearsal for the explorers yet to come. We stretched across billions of miles to connect with a visitor from another solar system. Even a brief, shadowy meeting broadens our view of the cosmos. The universe is endlessly surprising, and our journey to understand it goes on. Always.